Assalamu alaikum, my dear students. Welcome to my online class. I am Roxana Chaudhuri from City Government Girls High School, Chattogram. My dear learners, how are you today? Hope all of you are fine. By the grace of Almighty Allah, I am also fine. Today, I am going to take a class from your English for Today book and its lesson 19. Before going to the class, I will show you some learning outcomes of this lesson. Now, after completing this lesson, we will be able to number 1, read and understand written instructions. Number 2, read and understand text. So these are the learning outcome of today's lesson. Okay, now my dear students, let's see some pictures. Here you will see some pictures. Have you seen it? Do you like it? Yes, I think you will like it. Let's see another picture. What is it? Have you ever prepared it? Okay, today you will learn how to prepare it. Let's see another picture. Do you know what is it? Yes, I hope you know it. So, our today's lesson is make your snacks. Okay, before going to the lesson, we will know the keywords. And we will know the keywords and its meanings. So, number 1, chop. It means to cut something into small pieces with a sharp tool such as a knife or an axe. Number 2, chili. A small thin red or green vegetable that tastes very hot. Number 3, ingredient. Something that is used along with other things to make something. Number 4, instructions. It means information that explains how to do or use something. Number 5, stir. To move a liquid or substance around using a spoon or something similar in order to mix it thoroughly. Number 6, omelette. A food made with eggs that have been mixed and fried, often with other foods added. So, my dear learners, I hope the key words are now clear to you. Now we'll move to our next slide. Here is some pictures for you. Mrs. Nilufar Ahmed is teaching her son Adib how to make easy snacks at home. She is reading a set of instructions from a recipe book. First, look at the pictures of the things you will need to make an egg sandwich and match them with their names in the list of ingredients below. Here you can see some pictures. There are the ingredients you need to make an egg sandwich. Okay, now we'll go to the next slide and see the list of ingredients. Which type of ingredients do you need to make an egg sandwich? 2 slices of bread, cucumber 2 or 3 slices, tomato 1 or 2 slices, butter or mayonnaise, egg, it can be boiled or fried, lettuce, and last of all 1 slice of cheese. These are the ingredients that you need to make an egg sandwich. Okay, my dear students, now we'll go to the next slide. How you will make egg sandwich. First, take 2 slices of bread. Number 2, spread the butter thinly on one side of each slice. Number 3, then put a slice of cheese on the buttered side of the bread. Number 4, after that, put egg on top of the cheese. Number 5, next arrange slices of cucumber and tomato on the egg. Number 6. Later, place the other slice of bread on top. Your sandwich is ready now. So, if you want, you can cut the sandwiches into 2 halves and serve. So, my dear students, you have learned how to make a sandwich. Okay, now we will go to our next slide. And here is some handy hints for you. Number 1. Remember to wash and dry all vegetables before preparing them. That means you should wash and dry all vegetables before preparing them. Number 2. Be extra careful when handling sharp knife. That means whenever you are using a knife, you must be careful. Otherwise, it will be harmful for you. Number 3. You may wish to choose a variety of fillings, for example, 4 slices of cucumber, 1 slice of meat such as chicken loaf, meat loaf, mustard, and so on. That means if you want to mix any other things or if you want to add other things, you can add it according to your choice. Okay, my dear students, now we will go to our next slide and we will do some exercise from this lesson. Now, let's see the exercise, and after reading the exercise, I will give you the answer at a time. Fill in the blanks and complete the instructions for making sandwich. Number 1. First, take 2 slices of dash. So, I hope you know the answer. It will be 2 slices of bread. Write down, the answer will be bread. Number 2. Second, spread dash one side of them. So the answer will be spread butter on one side of them. You should write down on in your exercise book. Number 3. Then put 1 slice of dash. So the answer will be cheese. Number 4. After that, put dash. So the answer will be put egg on top of the cheese. Number 5. Later, arrange 1 slice of dash and dash. So the answer will be later arrange 1 slice of cucumber and tomato. Number 6. Finally, place the remaining slice of dash on top of another and serve. So obviously the answer will be bread. So my dear students, I hope you have understood the lesson, and I hope you have clearly know how to make a sandwich. So whenever you will feel hungry, you can make something by yourself. Don't bother your mother every time. You can surprise them by making something yourself. Okay, my dear learners, now we will go to our next slides and we will see some instructions. Look at the recipe for making an omelette. Complete the recipe using the pictures and the words given in the box. Compare your answer and with a partner in pairs. Here you can see a recipe how to make the perfect omelette. Here you can see some pictures are given. You have to use the name of the pictures to make the recipe complete. Dear students, I hope you can guess it. Now let's see the answer. The answer will be use a minimum of 4 eggs per omelette. Break the eggs in a small bowl. Put 1 spoon of water and just a little salt in the bowl. Add slice of onion and chili. Beat the mix with a fork well. You need a little bit of cooking oil. Put oil in a frying pan, then heat the oil. When the oil is hot, put the egg, onion and chili mixed into it. Spread the mix round the pan. Leave the mix in the pan for 2 or 3 minutes. As it thickens, turn it in folds with a flat spoon. Your omelette is ready. take the pan off the stove. So, in this text, you have understood how to make an omelette. Okay, my dear students, now let's see another text. In this text, here is some instructions. Notice some of the words that you have used in omelette recipe above, e.g. beat, pour, etc. We use these words to describe what we do while preparing foods. Look at some more examples of them. Can you match each action word in the box with a with the word? Here you can see some words given in the box. Break, beat, boil, chop, fry, pour, stir, slice. So what you have to do? You have to match the words with the pictures. My dear students, can you match it? Yes, I hope you can match it correctly. Now I will move you to our next slide. Okay. Now number C. First, now use some of the verbs above to write a simple recipe for making instant noodles. Use the following clues. Okay. So the answer will be, I am giving you the answer at a time. Number 1. You should write down in your exercise book. Number 1. First, pour water in a pot. Number 2. Put pot on a stove and boil the water for 2 minutes. Number 3. Stir onions and a green chili thinly. Number 4. Then break noodles into the water. Number 5. Stir gently with a spoon. Number 6. Break the packet of spice that come with the noodles. Number 7. Add the onions and green chili. Number 8. Serve the noodles in a dish. So in this text you can see that they have instructed you how to make an instant noodles. So let's see the answer. Okay, now we'll go to next slide and we'll know the outcome of today's lesson. We have learned how to follow instructions. We have learned how to make a sandwich. We have learned how to make an omelette. We have learned how to prepare instant noodles. So today we have learned so many interesting recipes of making snacks at home. Now it's time for your homework. Your homework will be write a paragraph on how to make a sandwich. Okay, my dear students, I hope you will do the homework and you will take a picture of it and will send it to our City Government Girls High School Facebook page. Thanks to all. That's all for today. Stay safe, stay home. See you again. Bye bye.